Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 20th, 2018. I'm out here in the central garden plot, the one next to the workshop over there. Tomato plants are getting pretty tall. They're getting pretty ready to harvest at this point. Haven't shown too much as far as harvesting. We've been at that pretty much every day, getting the various berry plants and getting a lot of the squashes and greens out of the gardens each day. Been a bit busy, so I haven't recorded much, and I got behind. I hadn't harvested any of the red Russian kale. I had harvested, Thea actually harvested the curly kale, probably 2.5 weeks ago now. So everything just has been growing like crazy. So the day before yesterday, I came out and harvested the curly kale over here, and also the red Russian kale. Quite a bit of it, the red Russian kale especially, it had just overgrown. A lot of the leaves just weren't suitable for us to do our processing and all. So I went ahead and brought those over to pond 5 that we're using to seal up some of the gravel exposed areas where the pond still leaks and all. And I probably already posted a video on that already. I'm going to go over and take a look at the broccoli and cauliflower. There's probably more to be harvested. I may put a little bit of footage there, but there'll be some GoPro footage showing going down the lines here and harvesting some of the kale plants as well. And I don't know if I'll include any other footage, but also I'd like to do a shout out to Tim from Tim's Homestead. Really good job, Tim. You're making steady progress on your homestead, and you did a pretty decent haul of produce from your garden. So congratulations. I think that's awesome. Other people who are doing harvesting, post some videos. I think that's really neat, sharing your experiences. A lot of the time people can feel a bit overwhelmed when they see how far we've come, but it's taken us years to get to this point. And we all start off pretty small, at least most of us do anyways. So shout out, Tim, you're doing a great job. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If you'd like to be notified when we post more videos, hit that bell icon and give us a thumbs up if you think this video is of value, and let us know what you think. I'm interested in what you think about these videos, especially with the gardens. Do you want to see more? I haven't got the drone out to shoot any overhead videos. It's just been crazy lately. But anyways, I hope you folks all have a super fantastic day and eat as much good, healthy produce as you can. Thanks, folks, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.